Hi everybody. This is literally going to be the fastest video that we have done because I think it's almost 9 o'clock and I have a toddler to put to sleep and I also have a bike ride to do. So this is what you're getting. We are doing the do's and don'ts of sleep right now. Fastest reporting ever. So what should you do? You should make sure that your bedroom is for two things and two things only, and that is sleep and sex. If you are working in your bedroom, if you are working out in your bedroom, if you are taking calls in your bedroom, whatever it may be, that all needs to stop, and you need to make sure that the bedroom is for sleep and sex only. You want to make sure that there are no electronics in your bedroom. Again, if you are sleeping with your phone next to the bed, that is not only going to be a distraction. If you happen to wake up in the middle of the night, you're going to check the time, you're going to check your Facebook, you're going to check your emails, you're going to check your bank account. You need to not be doing any of that stuff. The other problem is that you're having radiation bombarding your head and bombarding your brain all night long. So no sleeping with the phone next to your head. If you need an alarm clock, get an old-fashioned one. That's what I've got, the old-fashioned alarm clock, literally the little thing pops up on the top. That's what you need to be doing. And number 3, there should be nobody in your bedroom aside from your partner. So if your kids are in the bedroom with you, if the pets are in the bedroom with you, that's a problem. The only people that should be allowed in your bedroom should be you and your partner. And that's it. The 3 things that you should be doing in order to get a good night's sleep: you want to be making sure that you are taking the supplements that are correct for you. And again, please make sure that you are checking with your physician before starting or stopping any supplements, before you're modifying any of your medications. And I was doing this so fast, I didn't even say who I was. Welcome to my boot camp. I'm Dr. Jordan Leasure, the owner and physician of North Shore Proactive Health, state-of-the-art wellness clinic in the northern Chicago suburbs. Hello to everybody tuning in. We are tuning in and tuning out. This is the quickest video ever. So make sure that you are taking supplements that are correct for you. That may be melatonin. For me, I take magnesium every evening before I go to sleep. That's what I recommend for the majority of my patients. Number 2, write down a gratitude journal. One of the best things that you can do for your health and also your sleep is to keep a gratitude journal. It's been shown that keeping a gratitude journal is as impactful to your health as if you were doing cardiovascular exercise. So every night I want a pad of paper and a pen next to your bed, and I want you writing down the 3 things that you are most grateful for. And with the current situation of affairs in life, that may be just the fact that you made it through the day and you didn't kill anybody. That's kind of where I'm at today. Number 3, that was number 2. Number 3, you want to make sure that you're going to bed with a clear head. And so what I want you to do is to write down, in addition to your gratitude journal, the 2 things that you're going to work on for the day before, whatever is swirling around, whatever is bothering you. I want you putting it down on paper so that it is not an issue for when you're trying to go to sleep. And for those of us that are business owners, it may be a task list. It may be a to-do. If you're not a business owner, it may be something that your boss asked you to do for the next day. If that boss is a toddler, it may be something that you need to do for them for the next day. Whatever it is, that's okay. Just get it out of your head and get it onto paper. And I guarantee that you will sleep better that evening. Give it a try tonight. It's not too late. My last recommendation is to watch the temperature of your room. We are in that springtime in Chicago. Things are super weird. There are nights that we're going to bed or mornings that we're waking up and it is like 30 degrees and it may be, 70 when we go to bed. Watch that temperature for when you're sleeping. For me and my clients, what I recommend is that you keep it as low as you can, as low as is comfortable for you. That may be 65, that may be 67. And also, I want you sleeping in as little as possible. So I want you to make sure that your body temperature is cool, that you are under the sheets and you are comfortable. And for me, that means sleeping in socks. No joke. That's all I sleep in. And I sleep well. So that's my recommendation for you. Have a wonderful evening. I am off to hit the Peloton. If you follow me, Hot Doc Chicago, there's nothing impressive going on the bike except that I get it done. So I hope you have a wonderful night's sleep. Give that a try. Tomorrow, if you are in the boot camp, tune in at lunchtime. It will be myself and my good friend, Erin, live from Austria to talk with us about all the cool things that are going on over there, how she is handling the quarantine, and some hints and tips that she has, some super cool things that she is doing. She is actually director of programming for some really cool wellness stuff. So check that out. And then on Friday, around the same time, a little bit earlier in the morning, I'm going to have my good friend Nicole Martin from HR Boost on. And it is also, or should have been, our office 14th anniversary party. So my expectation from all of you is that you are tuning into our live. You are wearing white on Friday in honor of our office. And I'm expecting some questions and some suggestions. So get on here. Dave, I see that you're on. You better be sharing some suggestions. Share my recommendations to friends and family and anyone else on Facebook that you think could benefit from this information. Again, it's okay to not be okay. That was one of those days for me. Doing blogs, doing interviews, sharing information, sharing the health. Take care of yourself. You need to be number one. Try these sleep tips and have a wonderful night's sleep. And I expect reports tomorrow on how great everybody slept in only their socks. So I love you all. Have a great night. Kim, I shared the last workout, and everybody, if you were watching, I was watching from the car with Parker, and he wanted to know if we could go home and dance. So share with your kids, get everybody moving. That's what this is about. Dave, I love you. I will see you all tomorrow. So share the health, take care of you, take care of your family. Peace out, everybody.